Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows security blank in your Windows 11. So what you can do, just simply go into start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, here you'll get an option called system. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the option called system components. If you click on that, then you will get an option called Windows security over here. Then you will get three vertical line, click on advanced options. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the option called reset. If the system's component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. So if you click on the repair, it will repairing right now, and you can see after completing the repair, it will show this right arrow over here. After that, if it's your problem not solved yet, then simply click on reset, and now it will reset it and edit your data, and it will help you to fix your blank problem. And now if it's not fixed yet, then simply restart it, and I hope your problem will be solved. So this is how you can fix Windows security blank in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.